is Sheree for Just Nailed It, and we have another haul video. I think this week is going to be the week of hauls. Today I am doing Igel Beauty and Amazon. I ordered 2 no cleanse, which means no wipe top coat from Igel Beauty. These, I got both of these. I can't get it open. For like $6, I think. It's got a slow drip. It is a nice, thick, glossy top coat. It is one of my faves. So we've got that. We have got some pink. Isn't this beautiful? On there they called it, I think, candy paper, but it's like, I know it is angel paper. I thought this was, I wasn't sure when I ordered it what I was ordering, but I bought it anyways. I thought it was really pretty. But once I ordered it, and I opened it, and I'm like, oh, I know what this is. So that was, plus it's in a plastic case, love that. But you open it and it kind of explodes on you. These are designer foils. 004. They have Dior, Chanel, and Louis Vuitton. Cannot wait. I've been dying to get my hands on these, and I just hee-hawed around, and I finally bought them with the 60% off. So these were like, I don't know, $5 or $6. And I thought they were well worth it. I'm not sure how much. Oh, you get a decent amount. Okay, okay. Whoopsie. See if I get it back in here now. Whoops. Almost. So those are those. Cannot wait to use these. So that was my Igel Beauty part of the haul. That was all I bought from them, was 2 top coats, angel hair paper, and designer foils. Definitely can't wait to use those. Please excuse me. No, I don't have COVID. It's a smoker's cough, which I know is not cancellation, but I'm just being honest. So now from Amazon, I got these beautiful butterfly stickers. I think you can see them there. I don't want to take them out. Tammy sent me some before, and when I put them in the top sheet, I ruined like half of it. But these are in multiple colors. Whoops. You can kind of see the color, some of the colors there. Cannot wait to play with those. These are a pack of stickers as well. I have thumbed through them. And I don't want to take this set completely out either, because there's quite a few. There's probably at least 30 sheets here. These are all butterflies, which I am going to take them out. There are black and white. I have this one right here tattooed on my right calf. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful butterfly. But these, well, kind of looks like that one, or this one right there. I don't even know what my tattoo matches anymore. It's been so long. It's a beautiful blue and black butterfly, like that, but it's got the feeler leggy things coming down. I'll have to post a picture of it soon. Oh, look at all those. Oh, oh. Oh, look, we got some flowers. One flower in the mix. That's too funny. Oh, I didn't get them all out. Forgot these butterflies. So those I'm just going to leave out. Put that over there so I can put them in later. These are Easter foils. These are really super cute. I may have to start breaking those out. So I have some, I have a collaboration. The, oh my god, what are we called now? The Glitter Girls are no longer the Glitter Girls. we have decided to start fresh, and we are called something else. You'll find out on Easter. These are 4th of July stickers. So let me see if I get some of them out. Gives you a little gander. Any that you can use on 4th of July or Memorial Day. So I thought that was a nice little thing to have. These are some money signs. I'm not sure what kind of design this is that I ordered. Oh, it's a space one. I see. Maybe space. I see all kinds of designs in here, but hopefully they're stickers. So we'll see about that one. Some money. Show me the money. So that will be paired with those, I assume, when I do them. We have got some flame. We have got some gold, black, and white flame stickers. This is where some of my stimulus money went. I'm waiting on some acrylic from the Nail Junkie. I'm waiting on an order from Charlie's. So when those all come in, those are a couple more haul videos I'll be doing. We've got the black, the white. Oh, those are, let me see these here. We got gold. And these here are silver. Those are really cool. I cannot wait to use any of these. So those will be really cute. And last but not least, these came with a set of tweezers, which was really cool. Let me figure out how to open this. Whoopsie. These are all butterfly stickers as well, I believe. These are all off of Amazon, so this came as a set. These are beautiful. I'm going to show you each one by one. Gold butterflies. Yes, and hello, Erica. Hello, baby. Ooh. Can't wait to use these. These are also hollow. We have some silver butterflies. I just love these. I cannot wait to use these. Running out of places to put them. I just want you to see them all. Well, this is my Amazon and Igel beauty haul. Thank you for being here. Whoopsie. Thank you for being here and seeing my goodies with me. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Definitely will be using these soon because of Easter coming up in a few days. I just can't decide on what I'm doing. Oh, you can't see those. Here we go. So here's my haul. Leave me a comment down below. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. That way you get notified of all my videos. Any goodies I may want to share with you, plus giveaways. And I still have one going on currently until I reach 1,150 subs, and then I will draw. We have multiple sponsors, multiple winners for US and UK. So check that video out. I'll link it here and at the end of the video. What else can I tell you? Oh, give the video a thumbs up. That helps with my algorithm, I believe it is called. Lets me know you like what you see. you may want to see more of it, but it definitely helps my videos get out there and to be seen. So yep, I think we have shared everything we need to today. Have a blessed day and thank you.